Alright, so what are we doing today? Well, I got a customer that needs some topsoil for their some boxes or something they are planting some plants in, and I got a great deal with one of the local companies in my town. They have a wheel loader standing, I can borrow that one to load my trailer, and they have topsoil in stock, so that's really great. Really happy about that, and yeah, that makes life a lot easier. And we are now heading out to deliver the topsoil to the customer. The customer is actually living quite a bit out of my town, so it's quite a drive there, but hey, it's nice weather, so I thought that this could be a great opportunity to show a little bit of my countryside, even in good weather, not in winter conditions and stuff like that. So this is the same drive I had when I went to get my snowblower when it was stolen, or tried to get my snowblower. The snowblower wasn't there, so yeah, you have probably seen the video. If not, link up there or there, who knows. Yeah, it's really nice today, nice weather. Still snow in the mountains, and but hopefully it will be gone soon. So let's just enjoy the ride. Take a look at this view. Pretty awesome.